Hi, good morning. Hi guys. Okay, a lot of my musician friends have intimated an interest in being able to stream live video and make it look a bit more professional than just sticking a phone in front of you and trying to get landscape or portraits, or it won't go into the landscape when it's online and all this sort of stuff. Okay, so I'm going to show you a very basic tutorial of how to fix this, and it won't cost you a penny, okay? And you will be looking super duper professional, okay? So, my notes. This covers the basics of streaming. You can stream on Facebook or you can stream on YouTube, and using a couple of free things which I'm going to show you now. I'm using this exact stuff. The main studio that you can see here is called OBS, and OBS you can do all sorts of things. I can move myself around on the screen, I can make myself bigger, I can put it full screen. You'll learn how to do all this. It doesn't take very long to learn in OBS, okay? So I've got OBS Studio open at the moment. When you've absorbed this tutorial, you'll be able to stream yourself live from your house, and this all might look a bit daunting, but I can assure you it's fairly basic, right? Now, those of you who haven't got a webcam, you can use your smartphone, okay? You can replay this obviously as many times as you want, so you can see exactly what to do. By the way, this is my first tutorial, so I'm a bit nervous and don't really know what I'm doing with all this stuff yet, but you'll learn as well. Okay, so first of all, download this. It's called Droidcam. Now, Droidcam is a piece of software that you put on your phone, and it turns your phone into a smart cam, a nice camera, webcam for your videos. Okay, shut up Facebook. Right, so once you've downloaded this app, Droidcam, search for Droidcam, or you can use this link on your phone. I'll just make this a bit bigger. There we go. You can get it on Google Play, and you've got Droidcam. Once you've downloaded it on your phone, there's two parts to this. There's this bit, and there's another bit called the server. Now, the server goes onto your PC, so you need to search for that as well. Download the Droidcam server. See if I can find that. Droidcam server. Get it right. There you go. So this is the client down here. This client downloads to your PC. So you need a program on your PC that talks to your phone. Now, it can talk to your phone completely remotely. So you don't, through Wi-Fi, you can move it around the house. Or you can plug it into USB and connect via USB. So let's close that. I'll make this a little bit smaller and stick it up in the corner here. And now I'm going to show you the actual Droidcam. So I'm going to go down to the bottom of my PC, which I've got Droidcam installed, and I'm going to click Droidcam. Droidcam then brings up this lovely little window. After you've installed it, obviously. This is the PC part on the PC. Okay. Now up here, not there, that's my Logitech camera, but over there I've got this camera set up. Just an old smartphone, an old Samsung smartphone that was lying around. Now you can connect either there as USB, or you can connect there wirelessly. I'm going to connect this wirelessly, okay? Start. Oops, got to start it on there. Start. Right. So there you have it. That is my rubbish Samsung phone. Okay. Now, you can take that in OBS, go to sources at the bottom, and select it, because now that it's running on the PC, OBS will see it. Shut up, Facebook. when OBS sees it, you can go to Sources, which is at the bottom of OBS. Go to Sources, click the plus button, and add, you'll find it in there. It'll come up in the pull down as Droidcam. So add it, and when you add it, I'll show you what happens when you add it, because I'm going to add it now. So bearing in mind that I'm showing you here the actual app, and the app has to stay running. You can make it smaller, you can minimize it, get it off the screen. So let's do that. I'll leave it on the screen for the time being. So now I'm going to go and add it. So here we go. I'm going to add, and I'm going to video capture device, and I'm going to call it Samsung, and I'm going to add it, and then I'm going to the pull down box, and I'm going to pull down Droidcam. Okay. Once you've got Droidcam, you will be able to pull it up on the screen. Where is it? I've lost it. Hold on 1 second. That's the problem when you do stuff live. If anything is not prepared, then okay. So I'm going to copy it from another previous setup that I've got. Here it is. Copy it. Right. Back to my demo. So I've set it up and I've put it in OBS, and bingo, there it is. Now I can make it smaller, and I can put it on the screen, or I can make it the size of the screen. I can go into OBS, right click on it and make it bigger, smaller, change the resolution, do all sorts of fancy things that you probably don't need to. So this is now the Samsung, and this is now, hello, the other webcam. Okay. So as you can see, down here is the actual, you're going to start seeing a few delays now because of the way I've done this. Shut up, Facebook. So here we got the Droidcam client running on the PC. I can now minimize that. It disappears and it leaves me with the actual feed in OBS, which you can resize and play around with to your heart's content, get it in the right place, and then when you pick up your guitar and start singing, it'll come up. Right, so that's the basics of that. Now, you've added a source, selected Droidcam, you've seen it appear as a window, you can resize it, make it whatever size you like. Okay, now you've got a great option here because you've got an option in OBS at the bottom on the right called Record, which is what I've clicked to record this because I'm recording it before I upload it, but you can actually stream this live if you wanted to. So hit record and play a few tunes, do a few funny faces, and then stop recording. And when you stop recording, if you look at the top left-hand side of the screen, there's a thing called, there's File, Edit, View, File, Show Recordings. It will bring up this box with all the recordings in. And you can see the recording, click on it, and it will play it for you. So you can listen to it, adjust your PC speakers so you can get the right sound. And then once you've got it absolutely perfect, then here's the fun part. At the bottom right of OBS, there's a thing called Settings. So if you go to Setting, let me close this now because you've seen that. I'm going to go to settings, and when I go to settings, up comes a window that down the left hand side says stream. Okay, now you'll see get stream key. If you click on get stream, if you first of all go to service at the top and change it to Facebook Live, because you can change it to YouTube or Facebook, you can stream to many different servers. Click Facebook, service Facebook, and then go down to stream key, get stream key. When you click get stream key, hopefully you'll get a box called Live Producer coming up. Let's get rid of all these messages. So this, let me just move this camera down here so it's out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. Right, so as you can see, all the things I've just done are appearing now in here because this is a live window. So I've gone to start streaming. I've gone to settings, and I've set the stream key. I've gone get stream key. It's gone to Windows Live. Okay, when you're in Windows Live, it will show you somewhere the stream key. Here we go. So here's the stream key. Okay, this particular stream, this is the key. Hit copy, and then go back to OBS and paste it. Actually, I could have shown you that. Right, let me close this down. I can actually bring the windows up here. I didn't realize that. Okay, so here we go. I've gone to settings at the bottom of OBS. I've gone to settings. I've gone to stream, and the key that I've just copied from Facebook Live I've put in here. Okay, and then I just hit OK. That box disappears. Now, check my notes. So, you can keep that window open if you want to. You can actually see what you are doing on, that's the OBS software that you need to download. Should have shown you that earlier, but you can search for it anyway. So here we go, back to my live producer. Now this is live. I'm not actually live, but I'm live to Facebook. But I'm not actually, there's no one can see it because I need to hit this button here, go live now. If you actually want to start streaming onto the internet. So if you want to copy this server URL, okay, sorry, yeah, this is going to be the actual thing that you put on Facebook as a link that people can click on, okay, to come to this screen, which will then be live as soon as you click go live now. Gee, this is a messy tutorial, isn't it? I hope you understand what I'm talking about. Anyway, there's a good thing called rewind. Okay, so any questions, you can always Facebook message me or whatever, and I'll do my best to help you. It's not difficult. I can tell you now, it's not difficult. So let's go back. Recap. Download this app on your phone. On your phone, you have to go to the App Store or the Play Store and download it if you're Android or whatever. Download this app. You can get the free app, or you can pay $4, I think it is, for Droidcam X, which gives you a much higher resolution, which you probably don't need. So we'll keep this all free. Then download I've lost it now. Okay, I'll find it for you. OBS. Open Broadcaster software. There you go. OBS Studio. Windows or Mac if you've got Mac, or Linux if you've got Linux. And you will get this window. And this is where I told you to add sources. Let me make this bigger. Here's where I told you to add the camera. Droidcam. Once you've got the app up and running and you've got the server part installed on the PC. Okay. You'll be able to see all your volume values here. And you can actually also set scenes. It gets very in-depth. You can set scenes, different scenes. So if you add a new scene and add all the cameras and everything else you want in the scene and all the graphics, you can click from scene to scene. So you can change, if you're streaming to a specific pub, the Hogshead pub, you could have the Hogshead logo up there and you could click Stream Hogshead and it will bring up all those logos for that particular pub. Okay. So close that down. Right, that's it. So download Droidcam for your phone from the App Store or the Play Store. Download the Droidcam server for your PC. Start the server on your PC. Start the server on your phone. Decide whether you want to connect to it wirelessly on the app. You can on the PC wirelessly or USB. Open OBS, open a new source, put it into the source. You'll see in there Droidcam. It'll come up on the screen like you can see this little window. Yay! As you can see, I have two cameras. This should be the other way around. That one, or that one. This one, or that one. So I'm just using a crappy old smartphone that was lying around as my source. You can actually click on that and you can adjust the picture quality, you can do all sorts of things, get it all sorted. And then go to streaming, go to settings in OBS, set up your stream. And if you want to try it out, press record, start recording, try it all yourself locally, find your recording, play it back. If it works, lovely, you're sorted. I hope this has helped you a little bit. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.